Good morning, friends, and welcome to Monday. Today, I had told myself that this is the week of the home cleaning purge. I am going to be cleaning my house and probably like purging a lot of things, trying to get rid of things, putting stuff up on my Poshmark. I have been neglecting my house since November, and I mean, obviously I've, cleaned up here and there and cleaned up the kitchen and done laundry or whatever, but it seems like I've just kind of gotten behind because I was so focused on getting my Christmas decorations and stuff up that I kind of pushed things to the back burner. And one being my kitchen floor, like I need to mop that floor. It is bad. So today on the list of things to do is mop my kitchen floor. The other is to clean my closet because that is a nightmare now. I had pulled down a tote full of all of my Christmas jammies, which are like the pants and stuff, flannel pants and jammies. And I need to actually swap all those out and put all like my shorts and stuff in there and then pull those out and put those on the shelf. So I have to go through all of that. I need to make up the bed. I have to change the sheets. So I basically don't want to change the sheets. I ordered a new sheet set, and they are the Pioneer Woman from Walmart, and it actually said that they were delivered last night. They are nowhere to be found. So I'm wondering if like they got delivered to like my neighbor's house or something like that. I'm like looking across the street to see if there's a box in her, but there's not. So I'm wondering to see if anybody else got them delivered to their house and they just like didn't put them at my house. So I have 3 days to let Walmart know that, but I was so upset because they were cute. Red and white gingham like print sheets, so I wanted to like wash those and put those ones on the bed. That way I can flip-flop these ones during the December month. So these sheets are like phenomenal. I love these sheets. These ones came from Pottery Barn. I bought these last year. Love them. And I'm taking them off the bed today so I can wash them, and then I'm gonna put them back on because these are my Christmas sheets and I want to put those back on the bed because of the holiday. So that is what I'm gonna end up doing today. When I say this day, today, this week is gonna be nothing but cleaning, I'm like not kidding. But I do wanna take a break within this week, and I wanna go see a movie. So I wanna try to get as much stuff as I can done today. That way I know that when I go to see a movie tomorrow or Wednesday, I can like do that and just relax during that, knowing that I don't have anything here that's like over my head that I have to get done. So focusing on a lot of things today. First thing I gotta do is strip these sheets and then get these in the washing machine and then wait for them to be done so I can make up the bed. So let's go ahead and get these sheets off this bed.
Do you miss me at all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call? Something in the air, always something in the air. Inexplicable. At all? Do you think about the things we used to do? No, you couldn't stand tall. So why didn't you call? So many years has gone by, but I think about you all the time. Looks like you're changing and all, but why didn't you call?
before, and I'm using the Mrs. Meyer's Clean Day Multi-Surface Concentrate in the Lemon Verbena because I don't have the large size in the Iowa Pine. So I'm just going to use this one because it smells so good even right now. And I think I broke the lid. Oops. But I'm going to go ahead and fill up my bucket and start mopping.
Riding the highest dream, keeping the fire real. I call for you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun with a light your fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible at last. Fueling every engine, power is descending. Maybe we're invisible. Over the coming days, let's cut to the chase. We're gonna beat this maze, let's go deeper. I wanna reach it all, taking a leap or fall. I'll get to you. Hold your gun, cut the wire, aim for fun with a light to fire. I've been flying up the ceiling, taken by this feeling. Maybe we're invisible.
So my neighbor across the street got my box and she just brought them over. But these are the Pioneer Woman Gingham Ruffle King sheets that I ordered from Walmart. You guys, these are so freaking cute. I absolutely love them. I'm actually going to go put these in the wash machine as soon as my other sheets are done. And these are what these are going on my bed. Oh my God. I couldn't spit that out. But these are going on my bed. So as soon as my other sheets are done, which I think they probably got about 40 minutes left or so, I'm gonna throw these in. These ones are going on my bed today. Because I wanted these ones on my bed. But yeah, my neighbor got them. So I'm so glad she came over and brought them to me. These are great. These are so cute. Like I said, I got these off of Walmart. I don't think they sell them in the stores. You have to just get them online. I could be wrong. I ordered mine online, but these are so stinking freaking cute. And they actually had yellow ones too, like a yellow gingham. So I thought that would be kind of pretty to have like in the springtime. So I'm gonna wash these and put these on my bed and see how well they are. And then if I like them, then I'm gonna go ahead and get the yellow set. So these are so pretty. Oh my God, I can't wait to put these on my bed. All right, back to cleaning. All right, you guys, so I just mopped my bathroom floor and scrubbed it because it really needed it. So I was happy to be able to like scrub along the trimming and stuff, all around the trim and way over there in the corner. That is our closet, by the way. But I still have to clean off the sink and stuff, so that's what I'm gonna do next. And then the tub. I honestly just wanted to get this floor mopped. I mean, if I have to do it again, I will. We definitely keep saying we want to get this painted, and eventually we will, but I'm just like, okay, I'm ready to do it now because I want to hang this thing up because this is what I bought a while ago to put in the bathroom. So I really want to get my bathroom painted so we can get this hung up and get the bathroom looking decent. But while that's drying, I am going to go ahead and take the sheets out of the washing machine and put those in the dryer and put my new ones in the washing machine. I'm so excited about my new sheets. It's like the little things. It's sheets that make you happy. And these sheets just make me happy. So I'm gonna go ahead and put these in the washing machine as long as the washing machine is done. Yep, done. And then, yeah, and then I'm gonna make some lunch. And then hopefully by that time these sheets will be done. So, yay for new sheets.
my name, and how I wanna fill my whole world with you and no one else. And now our love will make us so much better. There will be no more lonely nights. Baby, if you let me try.
Hey guys, so these sheets are amazing. I love them so much. The one thing that I forgot to do is normally I always order extra pillowcases because I always have the king ones and then I have the like standard queen pillows on there, and I forgot to actually order extra pillowcases. So I just kind of left the white on here for now, and I just placed an order for the pillowcases. So but what I actually did was I actually placed an order for a queen set because I was going to use it on my guest bedroom. And then I noticed that you could just order the pillowcases, so I went to try to cancel that order on the sheet set and it wouldn't let me cancel it. So I'm like, oh no. So that's okay. I guess I'll have an extra set of sheets for the guest bedroom, which is just fine. But I did get to order another pillowcase for the bed. So they said they're going to be here December 5th, which is what, day after tomorrow. So yeah, we shall see. But I'm loving the sheets. They are so cute. I washed them up really nice and they washed up super nicely. They're so soft too. I just love the way that they feel. They just look super cute. I love the ruffles on the end. Absolutely adorable. So can't wait to get the other pillowcases in because then it'll be really perfect. But for now, that's what it's going to look like. And the sheets actually fit so perfect on our bed. We have very, very deep, big mattresses, and these fit so nicely on there. So I was very, very happy to get those on there. They're so cute. I absolutely love them. And actually right now it's about 1:40, so I'm gonna try to fold up some of these clothes here. And actually I don't want to fold up clothes. I just want to take the ones out of my bedroom right now and kind of go through those and hang up what I need to in the closet first. And then I'll get to these because I can't get to these and then hang up. Yeah, it's just a big, huge mess. So I think what I'm gonna end up doing is ending the vlog here. This is just like day one of cleaning, the purge. I'm so glad that my bathroom's done. That is, oh no, I lost a wreath on my, I just noticed I lost a wreath on my little house here. So I gotta put it back on. Super cute. Okay. There you go. You're back on your little house. And anyway, so I'm so glad that my bathroom is clean. And then Brian texted earlier and said, hey, gotta go to Knoxville on Thursday. So he has an appointment on Friday with a client in Knoxville. So we're gonna leave on Thursday and possibly go to Gatlinburg for the evening and afternoon and have dinner there, and then make our way over to Knoxville and then make our way back home on Friday. So yeah, and he wanted me to go with him. He asked me and I'm like, I don't think I'm gonna go this time. I'm like, because I got so much stuff I gotta do here. And he's like, you still have plenty of time, you can go with me. Wah, wah, wah. I'm like, we shall see. So I don't know, I might be leaving for Knoxville on Thursday. That is not the anniversary weekend. So yeah, so we might have to go to Knoxville. I know he has to go, but I mean, I might go to Knoxville with him on Thursday, and then we might go do something in Gatlinburg. I know it's really pretty right now in Gatlinburg, and it's gonna be like 45 degrees on Thursday when we get there. So I thought maybe we would walk around or something in Gatlinburg and try to look at all the Christmas lights and maybe go grab a nice dinner or something. So I don't know, we shall see. Obviously you guys will be the first to know. But I'm gonna go ahead and get some of my closet cleaned up, and then I'm gonna get this up and edited so it's up for tomorrow morning. And thank you guys so much for hanging out with me today. I hope that you guys enjoyed it. Sorry it was just a cleaning day for me. Nothing exciting going on with the cleaning. So I will check back in, well, no, you guys, I will see you guys tomorrow. Phew, my mind. It's a rough day. Been cleaning, thinking too much. Okay, see you guys tomorrow in Wonderland. Bye.